Okay guys, this is how you make a withdrawal within BitNest. What we need to do is we're just waiting around, so I've got another 18 seconds before the withdrawal hits my MetaMask wallet. It's done automatically, it's done on autopilot. You don't have to kind of press a button, you just automatically go straight in there, you know, and then obviously here we go, it says complete, that's it, yeah, it just says complete. You've got to wait around for about, say, a minute or two, and then all of a sudden the total funds will be added to my wallet, which is up here. So let that go through. Boom, straight into my wallet. It took about, must be in about, say, 35 seconds, so that's not bad. And I've made $671 profit within 28 days. So happy with that, happy days. Meanwhile, I hope you got some value out of this video, and yeah, let's make some money. Happy days, peace out.